Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Healifeco Ionic Foot Spa, which removes toxins and heavy metals for a healthier life. So as you can see right here, you basically just put your foot here in the Ionic Foot Spa, and after a few minutes, it detoxifies, quote-unquote, your foot and removes the heavy metals or toxins from your body. And as you can see, it removes toxins and heavy metals, reduce swelling and inflammation, increases your daily energy, relieve joint and pain soreness, boost immune system, and a lot of different things. So there have a lot of products like these over the past few years. Like for example, you intake this medicine and it basically just excretes from your body, or something that you place on your foot, and then overnight when you actually remove it, it turns black since it quote-unquote detoxifies your body through the foot. So there's no scientific reason for that, since there's no scientifically proven way that this actually works. So let's actually scroll down here and see how it works. So as you can see, you just basically plug it in, put some water in it, and it basically removes the dirty stuff from your body. And as you can see, if you head on over here on Trustpilot, they have relatively good reviews, which is 4.1 out of 5 stars. So this person received mine today. Quick post, I think, was 2 weeks. Used it today but forgot to add salt. There was a lot of discoloration after turning it. My feet definitely felt lighter and less swollen. So a lot of people have said this product actually works. So however, this person said it has terrible customer service. And then basically aside from that, a lot of people have testified that this product actually works. They're actually replying to them. Which means they're basically active. However, they did not reply to this person who actually complained about their customer service. That's a bit of a red flag there. So yeah, so if you want to try this product out, a lot of people have testified that this works, so use it at your own risk. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.